We are going to install Spring Tool Suite 4 for Eclipse. First thing we're going to do is go to spring.io/tools. We're going to scroll down not very far to Spring Tools 4 for Eclipse. Here we can see Windows 64-bit. We're going to click on that. I will pause the video while we wait for the download. Okay, the download has completed. Since it downloads a jar file, it's going to ask if we want to keep or discard. Of course, we're going to want to keep this. And that should put it in our downloads folder. So we'll go check our downloads folder. There we go. We've got the Spring Tool Suite jar. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this. And I'm basically going to just create a folder in my C drive. I think I'll just call it STS4. And we'll go into that folder. We will paste our jar file. And we're simply going to double click on this jar file. It'll take a second and then it'll start unpacking the jar. See here the progress. So what that does is it creates a folder in the directory we created, STS4, creates the release folder. Open that folder and we will find the exe where we can run Spring Tool Suite 4. Another thing I might do is drag the exe down to your taskbar, that way you can easily access it later.